My name is Ksenia and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to knit a cozy Bactus. Bactus is knitted with a garter stitch pattern. It is easy to knit, even a beginner knitter can handle it. Let's knit. Materials: I used circular needle number 5, yarn Kartopu Jersey, crochet hook to hide the end of the thread, scissors, measuring tape. We need to cast on 3 loops. First we make 1 loop, as I do. We grab the thread and pull it out, and we get 1 loop. I'll show you again. This is how we grab the thread, and we get 1 loop. We put this loop on the knitting needle, and then we make loops with long tail cast on. Three loops on needle and turn our work. We hold the working thread behind the work, not in front. And we knit the first loop with knit stitch. All loops knit with knit stitches. We knitted 3 loops and turn our work. And thread behind the work. First knit stitch, second knit stitch, and yarn over, and next knit stitch. We have 4 loops on needles. Turn our work and again the thread behind the work. All loops we knit with knit stitches. Turn our work, the thread behind the work. 1 knit stitch, second knit stitch, and yarn over, and the last 2 knit stitches. Again turn our work, all loops we knit with knit stitches. We have 5 loops on needles. Turn our work, and again first and second loops we knit with knit stitches. Yarn over, and the last loops with knit stitches. Turn our work, the thread behind the work. All loops we knit with the knit stitches. On the wrong side we knit all loops with knit stitches and don't make yarn over. We have an edge with increasing loops. Turn our work, 2 knit stitches, yarn over, and the last loops with knit stitches. So we continue to knit to the length of the Bactus we knit. Then we need to do decrease of the loops. I have already knitted half of the Bactus. The length of the Bactus edge with yarn over with increases is 90 cm. The length from the beginning to the middle of the Bactus is 67 cm. How I will decrease the loops and form the second half of the Bactus. Make 2 knit stitches, yarn over. The next 2 loops we knit together with 1 knit stitch, and all last loops in this row we will knit with knit stitches. I'll meet you when we knit it to the end of the row. We knitted the row. Turn our work and we will knit all these loops with knit stitches to this place. And here, before this yarn over, we will make a decrease. Knit 2 loops together. And because of such decreases, the angle of our Bactus will be formed. We knitted all knit stitches and make decrease. Knit 2 loops together with knit stitch. And the last 3 loops we knit with knit stitches. Turn our work, the thread behind the work, and 2 knit stitches, yarn over, and decrease 2 loops knit together with 1 knit stitch. And the next loops we knit with knit stitches. When we knit this row, turn our work and we need to make decrease before yarn over. Knit 2 loops together with 1 knit stitch. And continue to knit until we have 5 loops on the knitting needles. And I'll show you how to make the second edge look like the first Bactus edge. We have 5 loops on our needles, 2 knit stitches, 1, 2, yarn over. The next 2 loops we knit together with 1 knit stitch, and the last knit stitch. Turn our work. First and second loops we knit together with 1 knit stitch. And the next 3 loops with knit stitches. And we have 4 loops on needle. Turn our work, 2 loops together with knit stitch. And bind off all loops. And pull the thread through the last loop and cut the thread. Two edges of the Bactus look almost the same. We can count all the holes on one side of the Bactus and on the other side. The number of holes should be the same. Bactus is symmetrical if it is folded in half. We need to hide the ends of the thread with a crochet hook in a knitted fabric. When I run out of yarn from one ball, I connect the thread from the second ball without a knot. I put one thread on the other thread and knitted the loops using 2 yarns together. And the ends of the thread are invisible. Thank you for watching. If you would like to support my work, please like this video, write comments and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell so you don't miss new videos. Bye bye!